Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use quick settings in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your taskbar. And now here you will find different options in your taskbar. Now click on any icon. Here you can see quick settings. By these quick settings, you can use your Wi-Fi, VPN, Bluetooth, accessibility, earphone mode, night light, or you can use your brightness and sound. Or if you want to add another thing, now click on this edit option. Click on add. After adding your option, you have to press on done. That's it. So this is how you can use quick setting in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.